What's up mga kabang? Kumusta tayo dyan? God subscribe, God bless.
Hi, Bang! Subscribe dyan!
Bang Station!
What's up mga kabangs? Welcome back sa aking channel. Hello, kumusta? Ayan, today is Wednesday, November 13, 2019. So kung first time mo sa akin channel, click mo ng subscribe button at the notification para ma-notify ka every time mag-upload ako ng bagong videos. In today's video tayo ay magkakaroon ng mukbang, may mimigay ng product like this. If you're familiar with this product guys, Hydro Plus. So meron lang silang official store dito sa SM Ecoland sa ground floor malapit sa Huawei, the body shop and DC. Ayan. Maganda lang kanilang mga bottle. So these bottles are insulated. So kahit gaano kalamig o kainit yung tubig nyo, magtatagal at magtatagal talaga siya. And the good thing is that meron silang debit and credit cards, GCash and PayMy. PayMy. Kasama ko sa Ate Charing ngayon guys. So nalaway ko siya dito. Sure, andun na siya. Hello! Ilang hours maglong ma'am? 6 to
12 hours ang hot, and then yung coldness up to 24 hours.
Oh, okay. Ito yung laman niya guys. May pang baby din na merong straw. Ayan. So pwede sa mga infant, diba? Infant? Sa mga toddlers pala.
Ma'am, tagpilang niya ni ma'am?
Ano na siya sir?
2,490. Almost 1 liter.
Brush.
Hindi siya mahirap hugasan kasi meron siyang cleaning brush. O, diba?
And then,
ganda.
if you prefer na sling siya, we also sell slings.
Ah, okay.
It comes in different colors. May
Kasi,
black, yeah. For mga beer.
Okay. Out of town.
Mga overnight. Nasa tayo. Kaliwa kung ano, nakay ka ng loose na lang.
Ito yung mga accessories nila for runners. Ayan. If gusto mo nang mag-straw, you can do so. May mga lalagyan din siya guys. Like this. Protection.
This is for the adult version. Diba sa kids mas may that's the adult. Mas longer yung
Same sa office, no? Office. Busy. Ito para sa mga beer.
Para ito sa mga beer. Sa mga beer lovers. Kung gusto nyo, pwede nyo i-store mga beer dito, di ba? Kung tapos, number 1 siya sa US, no? Tapos, malaki ninyong straw. Ano siya, no? Depende yan sa inyo. Pwede nyo lagyan ng beer dito. Ito yung pinakamalaki nila. Yeah, ganyan paglinis. And take note, maganda talaga itong product na ito, especially sa mga bata dyan at sa mga mountaineers at sa mga
kayo. Tingnan nyo ha. Hi guys! Hi guys! Ayan, so dito na kami ngayon sa Crustasia. So we're waiting for the food to be served. So yung batch 1 andun na. Ang batch 1. Busy yung dalawa. Si Ate Charing tsaka si Kitty. Nagkita na sila sa wakas. At saka yung yellow na buhok.
May pila, may pila.
Bili na po kayo. Bili kayo. Okay.
Pili mo ako ba? Okay.
Mag-wild dye.
Wild dye.
And of course, the pasta.
Isang light rin.
Kasama ko yung mga Koreano ng Davao. BPMC performer. Okay kayo. Okay kayo. Kalayo.
We really tried our best to prepare the best for you. So I'm going to hand the mic to Liz, who's from the marketing of Crustasia in Manila, to talk about the food and Crustasia as a restaurant.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you so much. So, good evening, guys, and welcome finally to Crustasia Asian Seafood Market. It's our first store in Mindanao. That's the Thais Treasure Set. And then we have the Irresistible Indonesian Set. And the Savory Singaporean. And of course, we have here the all-time favorites. So, kumbaga like, hey, you want to go to Thailand? No need to take an airplane. No need to travel far. Do you want to go to Singapore? Like, kami na bahala sa inyo. So, just go to Crustasia. Take a food tour around Asia. Enjoy. And then, thank you very much for doing this for us. And yeah, enjoy the whole night. And
very reliable and the brand that will really make a lot of difference in Davao, especially the food. Crustasia is a brand that I really want to bring to Davao ever since it began a few years ago. And we
Yan ang dinner for tonight. Kain, no rice. Kain tayo guys. Kain.
Ay, thank you. Thank you. Na doon mag-start na. So ayan po, this is it. This is Mukbang. So once again, we are here at the opening of Crustasia Restaurant. Matatagpuan sila sa 2nd floor Abriza Mall dito sa Davao City. And take note, this is good news to all Davaoeño. Crustasia is the first ever Crustasia restaurant dito po sa Mindanao. Ito po ang pang-apat na branch nila nationwide. So ang mga branches nila ay nasa